It was 4 years ago that I filmed the former Twisted Ironworks building. I think that's what it was called. And I actually ended up deleting that video later on due to bad sound quality. And I was driving through Wiscasset today. I'm still in Wiscasset, but I couldn't believe what I was seeing, that this building is still here, essentially untouched since that time. And I want to say it closed around shortly before I arrived the first time in 2018. But what a sad looking building. Yeah, I'm just astonished that it's still up for lease 4 years later. I mean, look at the size of this lot. There is so much potential here. So I'm wondering why nobody has swooped it up and decided to buy it or lease it out. Yeah. It's a trip to be back after so long. And the building has continued to decay. You can see the obvious signs of that. But I mean, it's yeah, it looks like it's pretty much an iron and brick building. Pretty sizable too. Let's go have a peek inside. Fairly sizable room in there too, lots of room. So I'm guessing Twisted Ironworks used to be like a machine or like a motorcycle repair shop or something of that nature. But remember back in the day there were a bunch of trees still here, and they've since removed most of them, if not all of them. And there were a couple abandoned like cars, and there was even a trailer too, spooky looking thing. Kind of wish I'd saved that footage, but hey, I guess sometimes you get a second chance, a second round of it, and here we are. Let me zoom out. There we go. Yeah, so it would have been June of 2018, 4 years ago, that I was last here. And in fact, this was one of the very first videos of our locations that I filmed when I first arrived in Maine. And you know, Wiscasset is known for its tick problem, so I'm not going to even go in this grass here, but what I will do is kind of step around it. But I want to have a look at the interior through the garage door off to the side here. Yeah, wow. Yeah, a lot of room, spacious. Looks like 2 levels as well, at least toward the back here. You can't see much in there, but yeah, you get kind of an idea of what it looks like. I remember when I first saw it back in the day, there was this like creepy clown looking thing. I think that was up on top here above the doors. You know, that was their logo, I guess, Twisted Ironworks or Metalworks or something like that, but they had a clown for their logo. But yeah, look at the location. I mean, it's just a continuous river of traffic. How could you not want to establish something out here? And Wiscasset, it's a beautiful town. it may not seem like it kind of over here, but the further you get into town, the more beautiful it gets. So yeah, 4 years later, huh? One of those videos. I'll probably do a few of those while I'm back here in Maine. That about wraps it up. That's all there is to see for now, but why don't we wrap it up with the sight of a motorcycle screaming down the road here. I thought I heard one coming through. Maybe they already passed, but that would have been pretty cool to see a motorcycle screaming on by to sort of represent and symbolize the former Twisted Metal or Twisted Ironworks building here. Let me back up a little bit. It's not complete unless we have the old twisted lamp pole as well, light pole. There we go. That's the shot we want. Catch you all later. Oh, there's the biker. That's what I was waiting for. Now we can end the video. Okay, guys. Catch you later.